Let me give you a sneak peek of the all-new Galeon 440 Fly. This is a neat boat. I'm standing on a hydraulic swim platform that easily accesses the water for all the swimming and water toy activities. We have a very large grilling station here on the aft deck. Unique in its size range at 44 feet, we have balconies port and starboard. They're electrically actuated. It increases the beam of the boat to 19 feet overall. Easy access up to the bow, port and starboard. And then in the cockpit here, we have a very versatile space. So we have the folding door. You kind of bring the Salon into the cockpit or vice versa, but you can actually join this seat up with the aft deck seat, and it makes this one large sofa. Stepping into the boat, nice salon space equipped with a great galley for prepping meals and great visibility. We have also the option to lower this window on the port side and slide the window on the starboard side, so we really have great cross ventilation through the boat. At the helm, we have an unobstructed view through the windshield with no mold bars through the middle of the windshield. Makes for handling at the lower helm great. Two 12-inch Raymarine displays. The boat is equipped with Autopilot Radar. We have a bow thruster and a stern thruster. And then moving down below, we have two staterooms, both with their own head and shower. So forward would be the VIP stateroom with a scissor berth. When I say scissor berth, the beds will split apart, or they'll join together to make one island bed. Be about the size of a queen size bed. And then ensuite head and shower. Very large for a 44-foot boat, and also unique that it's a separate shower from the head. Over to our starboard side would be the primary stateroom. Just down a couple steps, you enter and you see a queen size bed with a large 40-inch TV on the bulkhead wall. You have great storage through the credenza over here on the port side. And then to the starboard is a full-size hanging locker, again with another cadenza just after that. I'll take you up to the fly bridge. Great space on this boat. Just follow me this way. On the fly bridge, we have seating for 12. We have a large table here that is multi-configurable, and a nice wet bar over to the port side with a refrigerator and a sink. The helm is forward and to the starboard. Again, great visibility, a nice place to sit on a day like today we're having. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you joining me on the tour. And this is the world debut of the Galeon 440 Fly.